32% of your respondents use wealth advisors. That's it. 32%. Yep. Did this number surprise you?
It did surprise me a little bit. It's lower than I expected. Now, there needs to be a disclaimer tied in there, which if you come back to the beginning of our conversation and you talk about our demographics of 30 to 45 years old, came up under the age of Robinhood and a ton of other tools that enable you to DIY and in a historic bull run, right? And so I think a lot of the value of wealth advisors, you really haven't seen it play out in the past 10 years because that value is preservation, diversification, really building portfolios, at least on the investment side, that you have a lot of people who have no experience with the need for that because they just see the S&P go up every day and they're like, well, what do I need you for?